Да, поехали.
Hello everybody. I'm happy that I had the possibility to participate in such project. I believe it's very important for our country, and it's even more important than just simply donating money to our government, because the main purpose of this project is to teach our specialists how to use and how to feed advanced prosthetic devices. And learning is always more important than just having money and spending money, because if you have any skills, these skills will be with you until the end of your life. Also, these myoelectric devices are probably the first one which were fitted in Ukraine, and a lot of people were very skeptical concerning them fitting here. And even our guys, I believe that they didn't trust completely to this project. He had some confusion about the result of it. But working together with our American friends, I can say that we are friends now. And with our guys, our brave young soldiers, we just we could see the process of prosthetic fitting from the very beginning, from measurements done till the very end, when our boys could use their legs and just pick up some things with their new arms and hands. So we could see how happy they became, and so open, and they were joking, kidding at us, and teasing us, and just offering some ideas, etc., etc. So I believe that this project is very important, and I hope that it will be the next stage of it. And I'm really grateful to all our friends, to Tonya, Antonina, to John, to Lindsay, Karina, to Dawn, Christopher and Chad, for spending their time and their soul for our country, for supporting our country. So that's it.
Thank you.